Very good afternoon, students. Today we have to deal with the new topic, that is mechanism of lubrication. Okay. See, you know very well what is lubrication. It is the process to reduce the frictional resistance between two moving and sliding surfaces by introducing the lubricant in between that surface. That is called as lubrication. So actually how this mechanism can take place, how does it reduce the frictional resistance between the moving surface, that can be studied in detail in one topic, that is mechanism of lubrications. Okay, there are three different mechanism of lubrications, that is fluid film lubrications, which is also called as a thick film lubrication. Second one is boundary lubrication, which is called as thin film lubrications, and third one is the extreme pressure lubrication. Okay, now these three mechanism of lubrication is very important and most of time can be asked in the university examinations. So give more concentration on all these three types of the mechanism of lubrication. So let's start with our first type of mechanism, that is fluid film lubrication, which is also called as thick film lubrication. See, this is called as thick film lubrication. Why? Because whatever the film of lubricant form in between the surface, that is quite thick, it having a thickness near about 1000 to 5000 angstrom unit. So this film lubrication is called as thick film lubrication or fluid film lubrication. Actually, where this type of lubrication takes place? This type of lubrication takes place in that part of machineries which work at very low pressure and high speed, which work at very low pressure and high speed. Then to reduce the frictional resistance between two rough surfaces, at that time we use one lubrication, that is called as fluid film lubrications. Generally the pressure is very low and speed is very high, so here we need such a lubricant which having very less viscosity, So generally in fluid film lubrications, which type of lubricant we use here? See, here we generally used a mineral oil. Here we used a mineral oil because we required very less oiliness, we required very less viscosity. So these both the property can be shown by the mineral oil. Okay, so generally in fluid film lubrications we used a mineral oil as a lubricant. Okay, see what is the descriptions of fluid film lubrication? See, this type of lubrications done in the machines which working at low pressure and high speed. Firstly, the lubricant introduced between the irregularities between the sliding or moving surfaces, and then the lubricant form a thin film in between them. This layer avoid a metal to metal contact. During this lubrication, resistance to the movement of moving part is only due to the internal resistance between the particle of lubricant moving over each other. The film of the lubricant form in between the moving surface is near about 1000 to 5000 angstrom unit thick. So this is the diagram of fluid film lubrication. We see here in this diagram there is a two metal surface at the top side and bottom side, and in between that moving surface, which is quite rough surface, we placed a oil molecule we placed in between the two rough surfaces, so that oil molecule can be firstly introduced between the rough surfaces and then it form a thick film of lubricant in between the surfaces. So this is all about the fluid film lubrication. This type of lubrications takes place in which type of machineries? See, this type of lubrication is provided in the case of delicate instrument and light machine like watches, clock, gun, sewing machine, scientific instrument. Okay, so this is all about the fluid film lubrication. Now we have to see next type of mechanism, that is boundary lubrication mechanism. See student, where this boundary lubrication takes place? This is generally takes place in such a condition or in such a part of machine which can work at very high pressure and speed is very low. Those machineries which work at very heavy load and low speed, at that place the mechanism takes place, that is boundary lubrication mechanism, and this mechanism is also called as thin film lubrication mechanism. Okay, see we now we see the detail about the boundary lubrication. These lubrications happen when shaft start moving from the rest, when speed is low and load is high. So the viscosity of oil is too low. अब प्रेशर बहुत ज़्यादा है और स्पीड बहुत कम है. सो यहाँ पे हमें जो भी लुब्रिकेंट यूज़ करना है वो ऐसा लुब्रिकेंट हम लोग यहाँ पे यूज़ करेंगे जिसमें विस्कोसिटी कैसी हो, कम हो. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पर भी जनरली हमें लिक्विड लुब्रिकेंट का ही यूज़ करना पड़ता है, लेकिन ये लुब्रिकेंट में एक प्रॉपर्टी होना ज़रूरी है और वो प्रॉपर्टी है ऑयलीनेस. सो हमने देखा है जनरली जो एनिमल ऑयल रहता है, वेजिटेबल ऑयल रहता है, इसमें जो ऑयलीनेस रहता है वो ज़्यादा रहता है. सो ऐसा लुब्रिकेंट हम लोग बाउंड्री लुब्रिकेशन के लिए यूज़ कर सकते हैं. क्यों? क्योंकि जब हम ऐसे लुब्रिकेंट को दो मशीन के पार्ट के बीच में ऐड करेंगे तो इसको ऐड करने के बाद में सबसे पहले ड्यू टू सम फिजिकल और केमिकल बॉन्डिंग ये जो लुब्रिकेंट है सरफेस पे जाके अधेयर होगा, एडसॉर्ब होगा. ठीक है, बाय केमिकल बॉन्डिंग और बाय फिजिकल बॉन्डिंग, और फिर इसकी थीन फिल्म जिसकी थिकनेस बहुत कम होगी, ऐसी फिल्म दो सरफेस के बीच में फॉर्म हो जाएगी और इस वजह से दो मेटल के कांटेक्ट रुक जाएंगे, दो मेटल एक मेके के कांटेक्ट में नहीं आ पाएंगे. ठीक है, और इस तरह से यहाँ पे फ्रिक्शन जो होगा वो अवॉइड होगा. तो वो सब डिटेल इसमें दिया है, वो हम अभी रीड आउट करेंगे. सी अंडर दिस कंडीशन द स्पेस बिटवीन द मूविंग पार्ट is lubricated with the thin layer of oil lubricant. The oil adsorbed by physical or chemical forces or both the forces on the metal surface. Okay. This adsorb layer cannot get removed easily and thus avoid direct metal to metal contact, and the load is carried by a layer of adsorbed lubricant on the metal surfaces. For adsorptions of lubricant, oiliness is necessary. So vegetable oil and animal oil possesses greater oiliness than mineral oil, and hence that oil possesses greater property of adsorptions and used for boundary lubrication. For example is graphite and molybdenum disulfide as either alone or as a stable suspension in the oil are used for boundary lubrication under the condition of high load and temperature. Okay, so this is all about the explanations of what boundary lubrication. Now third type of lubrication mechanism is extreme pressure lubrication. See, this type of lubrication mechanism takes place in such a machineries which can work at very high load, means high pressure, high speed and high temperature. High load, high temperature, high speed. So whatever the lubricant we required here, that must be stable in all such a conditions. So extreme pressure lubrication is quite difficult task. Here we have to use a solid lubricant along with semi-solid lubricant which contains some amount of additives. Okay, so due to that additives, that lubricant having a stability, and this lubricant can be uniformly distributed on the surface of rough surface of the metal, and avoid metal to metal contact and become stable even at high temperature, high pressure and high speed. So this is all about the extreme pressure lubrication. So we read out all the points. The mechanism where this lubrication is commonly applied are gear, railway axle boxes, tractor rollers, etc. Extreme pressure lubrication takes place in the following condition: high load, high speed, high pressure, high temperature. Under this condition, intense rubbing of the surface occurs and excessive frictional resistance is generated. In extreme pressure lubrication, the lubricant used is a blend of mineral oil, extreme pressure additives which provide efficient lubrication under above condition. So this is all about the mechanism of lubrications. I hope that all of you understand all the three types of mechanism. Now our next